So today was laundry day. Now I get my clothes washed, dried, folded like once a week. Ends up running about 4 kilograms worth of clothes. And the place that does them for me is 10,000 dong per kilogram. So my 4 kilograms of clothes runs 40,000 dong, like $1.80. So including tip, I'm still below $2. I get my clothes picked up at my apartment, taken, cleaned, dried, folded. They smell absolutely wonderful, and then delivered back to me in a few hours. Man, cannot beat that. I will not be doing laundry while I'm here in Vietnam. Not when it's that affordable to have somebody else wash, dry, and fold your clothes, and on top of it, pick up and deliver. Now, since I moved over to my apartment, I have been using the same lady for all of my laundry. I was taking it up to the coffee shop and leaving it there, and the lady would pick it up there and then deliver it back when done. However, I don't want to keep inconveniencing them. So this morning when I text the owner of the coffee shop or the cafe, I asked her if it was easier if we just had it picked up and delivered to my apartment. And she said, sure. She didn't care either way. I didn't care either way. So this just makes it that much easier. Within maybe 10 minutes later, the lady from the laundry service was knocking on my apartment door, looking to pick up the bag. So here it is, a big bag. You can see 40,000. It's crazy. Now, are there places that are more expensive? Absolutely. Are there places that are terrible? Absolutely. You have to shop around. This one happens to be a really good place. The clothes come back clean. They smell good. They're amazing. Over in the tourist area like An Thong, where all of the expats, most of the expats are, I won't say all of them because there are a few over in my neighborhood, there are a ton of places, and prices can range from 25,000 per kilogram all the way down to 10. You've got to shop around. There are so many of them within a stone's throw, there's no need to settle for the first one. Look around, shop around, look at price, look at how the clothes come out, do a small sample set, because you will find that some of them don't clean their washers, and then your clothes come out a little stinky. And nobody likes stinky clothes. So yeah, once a week, $2, get my clothes picked up, washed, dried, folded, and delivered back to me. Gotta love living in Vietnam. If you want to see more adventures of my life living in Vietnam and understand why I left the United States to come live here, subscribe to the channel. If you found value in this video, give it a thumbs up. You didn't like this video, give it a thumbs down. But hey, if you give me a thumbs down, leave a comment to tell me what you didn't like. And if you think somebody else can find value in this video, share it with them. Alrighty, off to more adventures. See you in the next video.